Hello, Panthers! This video will teach you how to preview chapters in your textbooks. Other videos in this series will cover different reading strategies. Instructors expect you to complete your reading assignments before you attend class so that you have a foundation for the lecture. If you don't have time to complete your reading assignment, at least preview the chapter so you have an idea about what to expect in class. College reading is challenging because it includes dense information and many new vocabulary words. If you jump into a chapter before you have a map, it is really difficult for your brain to make connections. This is why previewing your chapter is an important strategy for college-level reading. The act of previewing a chapter allows your brain to create advanced organizers for the information in your book. Advanced organizers act like file drawers and folders in your brain. They create an organizational structure in which you can store information, which will make it easier to remember the information later. The Thieves strategy includes 7 steps for your chapter previews. Step 1 is to read the chapter title. Remember what information you already know about this topic. Consider how this topic relates to the other topics in your class. Step 2 is to skim the headings and subheadings. Notice how the information is organized. Some readers turn headings into questions and look for the answers when they read. Step 3 depends on how your book is organized. If you have an introductory section, then read that. If you don't have an introductory section, skip to the next step. Consider what you will learn in this chapter or section. Step 4 is reading every first sentence of each paragraph. The first sentence of a paragraph is usually the paragraph's topic sentence. Reading these sentences is like watching a movie trailer. You get an idea of what the chapter is about, but you don't have the entire picture. Step 5 is the V in Thieves, which stands for both visuals and vocabulary. Many textbooks include visuals, such as pictures, maps, or diagrams. These visuals often include captions. Vocabulary words are often made easy to see by using bold or italicized fonts or by placing them in the margins. Step 6 is reading the review questions. If your chapter has review questions at the end, then they are your textbook's greatest gift to you. Read these questions before you read the chapter and be sure that you find the answers for all of these questions. Step 7, again, depends on how your chapter is organized. Some chapters will have a section labeled Summary. If you don't have a section like that, read the last 3 paragraphs. Reading the summary before you read the chapter helps you know what information the author thinks is really important. Harness your inner geek this week. The Study Time video series is a joint effort between the Learning Center and the Office of Academic Advising, both at the University of Northern Iowa. Please contact the Learning Center if you need additional assistance.